Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wished you could quickly crunch numbers without leaving your Notion workspace, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a calculator directly into Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional calculator, instantly accessible every time you open your notes, plans, or dashboards. No more switching tabs or reaching for your phone. Let's get started. First, you'll need a link to an online calculator. I've got one ready for you. It's in the description below this video, so go ahead and copy that link. The reason we use a web-based calculator is because Notion allows us to embed online content right inside our pages, making it super convenient and seamless. If you've ever embedded a YouTube video or a Google Doc, you'll be familiar with this process, but if not, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step. Once you have that link copied, open up Notion and head to the page where you want your calculator to live. This could be your daily dashboard, your budget tracker, your study notes, really anywhere you want quick access to a calculator. Now, just paste the link you copied directly onto the page. You'll notice that Notion gives you a few options. One of them will be Embed. Go ahead and click Embed. This tells Notion you want to turn that link into a live interactive element within your workspace, rather than just a plain URL or a bookmark. At this point, your calculator will appear right on the page, but it might look a little small or not quite fit your layout, so let's customize the size to make it really useful. Hover over the calculator embed, and you'll see little handles at the edges and corners. Simply click and drag these edges to resize the calculator box. If you want it to be nice and big, maybe for doing some heavy-duty calculations or making it more visible, just drag it out. If you prefer a compact layout, pull the edges in to keep it small and out of the way. There's no right or wrong here. It's all about what works best for you and your Notion setup. Now, take a second to try out your new calculator. Click inside the window and enter some numbers, just to make sure everything's working smoothly. If the calculator doesn't show up right away, sometimes it helps to refresh the page, so don't worry if it takes a moment. This embed is interactive, so you can use it just like you would any regular calculator app. The big difference is that it's right there, embedded alongside your notes and your tasks. And that's it. You've successfully added a calculator to Notion. It's such a simple trick, but it saves so much time and mental bandwidth, especially if you find yourself frequently needing to do quick calculations while working on budgets, grade sheets, or planning out projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or if you want more tips for embedding other tools and gadgets into Notion, drop a comment below. I always love hearing how you use Notion in your daily life. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.